So now we have question number 6 here. Nitya and Satya sell milk every day. It is known that they adulterated the milk by adding water equal to 33.33% and 50% of the volume respectively. Sundar now buys 100 liters of milk from Nitya, 60 liters of milk from Satya, and he pours both the mixtures in a tank. Now he replaces 33.33% of this mixture with pure milk. Find the amount of milk in the mixture after two such replacements. ठीक. Let's start talking about Nitya. So Nitya adulterated the milk by adding water equal to 33% of the volume. So let us say Nitya originally had 300 liters, right? Why 300? So that I can easily calculate 33.33%. Nitya added 100 liters of water into it, and that way I can say in Nitya's mixture, milk and water are in a ratio of 3:1. Whereas when I talk about Satya, let us say Satya had 300 liters of milk. Satya added 50% of water into this. That means 150 liters water into it. So ultimately Satya had 2:1 as the ratio of milk and water in their solution. Sundar now buys 100 liters from Nitya. So if you take 100 liters from Nitya, can I say this 100 would have 75 milk and 25 water? Basically, it is in a ratio of 3:1. So divide 100 in a ratio of 3:1 plus 60 from Satya, in which milk and water are in a ratio of 2:1. So 2:1 means they are 40 and 20. So by mixing them, he has a total of 160 liters, in which 75 plus 40, 115 is milk, and 25 plus 20, 45 is water. Okay. Now he replaces 33.33% of this mixture with pure milk. Find the amount of milk in the mixture after two such replacements. So now he is adding he is replacing it with pure milk. That means when he replaces with pure milk, you start working on water, right? You start working on water. So water initially was 45 out of 160. From 160, he took out one third. When from 160 you take out one third, so what is left is two third. So two third of this would be left. And then again this process is done. So again two third of this would be left. So ultimately how much is left? 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45. And 5 cancels this out at 32. And 2 and 2 cancels this out at 8. So ultimately 1 by 8 of the total mixture is equal to water. 1 by 8 of the total mixture is equal to water. We were working on water only. Question says how much is milk? If 1 by 8 is water, then how much is milk? 7 by 8 is milk. So out of this 160 liters, 7 by 8 is milk. When you calculate this, this gives you 140 liters. So my answer is 140. That is the right one. Now this question I would put in the category of moderate question because it requires two concepts one by one. First of all, you have to do one question where he is adding water into milk. So you have to find the ratio of milk and water from there. Then he is doing removal and replacement. So therefore, because there are two concepts in one single question, that makes it a moderate question. Otherwise, both the concepts individually are easy, but overall I can call it a moderate question. The answer to the question is 140 liters as mentioned on the screen.